Now we begin to program a simple program for triangle area, and the commonest mistake some initial learners do. So this structure we have created will include IOStream, and this time I am using namespace std to be just simpler when I am writing cout and cin, etc. Here I will just take integer value of base, let it be 4, and then integer value of height, let it be 3, one of the commonest values. And the area, since it will be something we do not know will be in decimal or not, so we'll take as float value. So float area, and the standard calculation is 1/2 into base into height. This star represents into operator, and this front shell represents the division operator. And we'll simply try to put this value of area on console just by putting a simple cout. Let us see what is the result. The expected result is, if half base is there, that means 2 into 3 should be 6. But let us see what comes actually. It comes 0. The reason is actually here. Just see. This is 1/2, and since this value is integer type, because we have written as 1, it is obviously it takes it as integer or automatically. It's a sort of integer literal. So if we are dividing integer with a denominator as 2, again an integer, this will come 0.5. Since it can store only an integer, so 0.5 will become 0, and hence the entire equation will become 0. So one simple way is that whatever we want to divide, we can divide this. So many people write it like this. But here again height will be 3. So 3/2 will be 1.5, and it will be 1 into 4. Just see what it becomes this time. I am expecting a result of 6. This has come as 6 because this time this was first multiplied, because this is in this order, because this order of precedence of operator is also very important. Whichever, these are actually precedence of multiplication, and this is same, and since it appears first in the expression, so this will become 12 and division by 2. So this could be one way. Other way could be, we simply declare it as float, this also as float, just to ensure that whatever result comes is, whatever numerator is there is actually a float value, so the calculations are correct. So this ensures me a right value. And if you want, you can actually collect this value from the user also. In that case, we'll simply write it like this, and we'll say cout give base and height. We'll write like this straight away, and then we'll give cin, this stream extraction operator, base and another chaining of extraction operator, height. So both values we are collecting from the user now, and area we are calculating here. We can also write the area is like this, and chaining of stream insertion operator, and we can also write and L to make sure that a new line comes after this expression. So we'll collect base and height from the user now. Here we can also give the float value easily, base and height. So let it be 1.2, tab, let it be 2.3, and area is 1.338. This will be actually half base into height. So we can also collect it like area of a triangle with, just see, if I want to write expressions perfectly in the output, with, we should write it like this, with base equal to, then base, whatever base the user has given. We can continue the expression like height equal to, after this base we need to give some space, and this is again a string literal, then height. Just see it carefully because this will be very useful when outputting the correct thing. Is height, this is, so we have to output this is, height this is, so again a space here is required. So area of a triangle, let me correct the spelling of this, triangle with base as given by user and height as given by user is area. So let us see, run this. Give base and height, say 1.2, 2.3. So it is giving area of a triangle with base equal to this, height is equal to this is 1.38. So this is the way we can chain stream insertion operator to make a complex output expression also. And the basic problem of keeping this numerator and as a data type standard should be maintained so that the common mistakes of half, base, height you don't write. Okay, so you have learnt lot many things in this, building formulas with keeping the numerator data type and building complex output expressions like this.
Please like, share and subscribe.